Etsy sellers, this is something that no one talks about, but plenty of sellers have the problem. What do you do if you're selling too fast? What do you do if you can't keep up with demand? Like now in Q4 and Christmas, this is actually a far more common problem than you think it is. What are the steps you should take? So if you're a seller that's doing sales volume and is struggling and is selling too fast, please listen to what I've got to say here. 4 critical things that you need to do. Really simple, really straightforward, keeps you in control of your store, and most importantly, stops you losing visibility. This is the key. You've got to hold on to the luxurious position you find yourself in, which is bringing in all this lovely visibility from the sales that you are making. Remember, everybody, whether you're a high volume seller or not, please listen to this. Q4 and Christmas is a visibility gold rush. Okay? It is the one time of the year when you can collect bucket loads of visibility for your store. The more damage, the more sales you make at Christmas, the better your store will perform next year, I guarantee it. So if you're doing sales volume, lots of sales, but you're struggling, what do you do? What do you do? This is what you do. 4 things, and every one is vital. Number 1, the first thing is absolutely no vacation mode. Do not put your store on vacation mode, okay? This is so bad for so many reasons. Yes, it gives you the immediate relief to catch up on your orders, but you are literally killing all that wonderful progress you made on those sales. I guarantee you, if you do this and you reopen the store 4 or 5 days later, once you've caught up, your sales volume will have dropped way off. You'll be way back, and you will curse the moment you decided to use vacation mode. You shouldn't use vacation mode anyway, but to solve the problem of too many sales, do not do this. And the second thing, just as critical, right? Don't sell out. This is massive. And if it's too late now, know this for next year. Don't sell out. Because if you sell out, you've just lost visibility. All those listings that were bringing in the sales, doing the damage, raising your visibility, they're gone because they sold out. Etsy can't see them. They're not collecting visibility because they're not selling. No vacation mode, and don't sell out. I know that's easier said than done, but do your best to keep stock of everything that's selling. And you should know. It's not like this is a surprise. You get August, September, October, November. You can see the sales coming. You can see what's starting to work. Just don't sell out. Keeps the visibility in your store. Okay, so the first thing that you've got to do to make sure that you don't sell too fast is obviously use price. Okay? Do not be scared. Raise your prices. Okay? Do not be scared. This is the main mechanism to use. It keeps your store open. It keeps you selling. It keeps the visibility coming in. This is the bit that Etsy sellers don't understand. It's not really about, okay, it's about, struggling because you've got so many sales, but no, what it's really about is don't cut off that visibility pipeline. You've got to keep it flowing. You've got to keep the store moving, right? Use price and do it quickly. Okay, decide on what your increments are going to be, 5%, 10%. Run each price increment for a couple of days, literally hardly any time at all. Do 5%. If it doesn't work after a couple of days, do 10%. If it's still not making a dent, do 15. And let me be clear here, when you raise the price, and I know you should love me for saying this, but if you're in a position of struggling to deal with the sales, you're going to hate me. When you raise the prices at 5%, 10%, maybe 15%, your sales may well go up. Be ready for that. Because the demand is so strong, value perception around raising your prices is your product quality is better. And people are looking for better products at Christmas, aren't they, to gift to people. So don't be surprised that you get more sales, but there is a quick cutoff. Get to 20%, 25%, you should see the demand start to slow. And then it's a gauge. You gauge it. So if you see at 20% it starts to slow, but it's not quick enough, go to 25 and that should do it. If you see it start to slow at 25, go to 30 and you should see the sales volume falling into a range that you can manage. Okay? That is how you use price. And to be aware that those first 5%, 10%, maybe 15%, your sales may well go up. So be aware of that. It doesn't mean it won't work. It will work, but the sales may well go up before they go down. Okay, the final one, of course, this is to manage. This also helps temper that speed of sale a little bit, but what it's really for is to manage customer expectations, and that is, of course, your processing times. Okay, so make sure customers are kept in the loop with your processing times. Move them out, slow it down. That will help slow the sales down. These two things together will do the job. These are your tools. This is how you do it. Keeps the store open. You'll still be making sales, but critically, you don't blow a fuse and burn out. By doing these things and observing these two, critical, you maximize your sales based on what you can do. The visibility keeps flowing in. Lots of sellers, honestly, I'm not joking, sellers go on vacation mode. They will shut their store for 3 days, 4 days, right at the most busy time of the year. This is madness, okay? Do these two to stop you doing this. Do not do this, okay? So this is what you do if you've got that wonderful problem of selling too fast. It's real, and it's a real stress. I know. I'm working with sellers right now who are burnt out because we're now having to do this to solve the problem. It's real. I hope this has helped you. Let me know in the comments if this is you. I want to hear from you. Are you a high volume seller? Tell me about it in the comments. Tell me your story right now. What's going on in December, moving into the busy time now, the next 2 weeks. Tell me what your daily order rate is. How mad is it for you? Are you going to do this? Let me know. Please let me know. And as always, if you want to work with me, don't wait. Don't guess. Why are you waiting and guessing? I keep telling you guys, book in now for a discovery call. The link's coming up on your screen. Takes you to a calendar to book a free one-to-one Zoom call with me so that I can talk to you in that call how in paid consultations or mentoring I can build you a better Etsy business. I look forward to catching you in the comments and catching you in the consultations. Cheers.